Well, that's something that we go into a bit later in terms of the optimization of the water and the pressure. So does anybody, how high do you reckon this is going to go?
Maybe 60.
Yeah, I like that. That's pretty optimistic.
So what's the pressure?
Well, it's going to get to 60.
So it's got
60.
Is that you'll work it out? Is that
Yeah.
right? And
Oh, I've got a time meter if you actually want to work out the distance.
well, you work it out in his head.
Yeah.
That rocket there, you're going to fill that with water,
Yep.
Yeah.
and you're going to pressurize that water.
Yep.
And how much water are you going to pressurize that?
I think it maxes out at 60.
Is this gas
Is that
powered
PSI?
Yes.
CSI.
And how much is the atmosphere? How much PSI is that? The atmosphere.
I didn't see the.
Probably
Yeah, it's
about
Yeah,
one and a bit bar, whatever. A bit more detail about the optimization
Feet turn into
of the amount of water to air pressure, because essentially that's what it is. So this is very, very, very simple. But there's a lot of basic fundamentals that go into actually real rockets. So, but today we're just it's going to be about 30 because we don't have that much time. So what we do is squeeze that over, and then we're going to stand an acceptable distance. So just come back.
Can you hold on to that?
Okay, I'll drink it.
I'll need you to control this.
Alright.
So let's just get around an acceptable distance. That's fine. So do you want to do it or not? It's up to you. You don't have to. And then when you get to about 60, the red one. So they'll go first. But you can't pause with anyone. No. Sam, I'd like you to be the range safety officer, please.
Why would it get
So you, my man, say go for launch, and then you.
You're gonna get wet. I'm able to run away
Hey,
before.
you're right. Keep going. You won't get it. Alright, you say go for launch. But don't, you've got to step back. Alright, good. We good? Say go for launch.